Hi,
Ay, pagtabuhog.
Hi, I'm Mon Asher. I'm 10.
Hi, I am Monan Chil. My name is Jan Moses.
My name is Mon Asher.
Okay. You try your, anti-radiation
Done.
glasses.
Done.
You wear it. Actually.
Actually.
Okay, open it
Actually.
carefully, ha. Okay, good. Wow.
Everything looks the light looks like orange.
The light it looks more sunny now.
Because it protects your eyes from the blue
Radiation.
Yes, very good.
From the sun's radiation also.
Okay, so which do you prefer? Do you prefer the white one?
Wait, let me try. Try the white one.
I would look nerd.
No. Nerd is okay.
Is it like the same?
Wow.
Okay, is it like the same?
Maybe Kuya use this white one. It suits Kuya's age. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I look like a nerd.
Nerd is okay. Nerds are rich. What?
Nerds are not rich. I don't have any money.
Well, you will become rich. Nerds that I know before now rich today. Duh.
Thank you so much, TikTok shop. Bye.
Bye.
Don't look at my teeth.